Hello and welcome to our channel South London Repair. Today we're gonna see just a simple PlayStation 5 HDMI repair. In this case, the HDMI cable ripped out part of the plastic outside, and fortunately the pins are intact. We're gonna heat up. What we're using is 500 degrees with 110 liter per minute. And an SMD flux, details in the description. So we just heat it up. This part is a little bit faster in the video. It takes more than 1.5 minutes to heat it up properly. You can see all the pins are intact. Before you put back the new HDMI port, it's a good idea to heat up a little bit the new port as well with the board. So when you place it, it's not gonna stuck immediately. You can see when the board is warmed up. Yep. Just start melting. That's all. You don't want to heat up too long the HDMI port, especially if you bought a cheaper copy Chinese on eBay. After 1 minute they melt inside, and however is no obvious damage for first sight. The pins are perfect. You're gonna lose the signal. So if you have this issue, then check inside the HDMI port. Probably you can see it's melted a tiny bit, and you have to use a new one. In this case, we tested after, obviously, and it was perfect. If you have an extra 30 seconds, always check the pins. Sometimes one is loose. It's easier to repair now than later. If you don't want to struggle with the melted HDMI port, just buy a better quality one. They cost double. I mean, not £2, but £5. But obviously you save that money on work time. So if you have any trouble, just stuck with one dealer which is working and try to order from the same supplier. Little cleanup. Not necessary, obviously, but it looks better. We always test the HDMI port twice. Basically once when it's most of the PS5 is put together, and once it's completely finished, and also we show to the customer. So basically that is third time test to avoid any problem later. Thank you for watching.